Man, we're back in the alley, trading hands. Along came Wild Billy and his friend G-Man, doing it up for Saturday night. Billy slammed on his close to brakes. Anybody wanna go on up the Greasy Lake? Spent a mile down on the dark side of Route 88. One got a bottle of rose, let's try it. We'll pick up Hazy Davy and Killer Joe. We'll take you all out to where the gypsy angels go. You feel like life, ooh, and they dance like spirits of the night. All night, well, baby, don't know what to do to you, like a spirit of the night. All night, stand up and let it shoot right through you. Wild Billy was a crazy cat, and he shook sawdust, brought out of his coonskin cap. I trust some of this, it'll show you where you're at least it'll help you really feel. I head out the window, Janie's fingers in the cake. I think I really dug her. I was too loose to fake. Said I'm hurt, she said, honey, let me heal it. Well, we danced all night to the Soul Fairy band. She kissed me just right, like only a lonely angel can. Felt just right, just as sweet as the spirit of the night. Well, baby, don't know what to do to you, like a spirit of the night. All night, stand up and let it shoot right through you. Let's go, big man, excuse me. Grew bright, the stars threw light on Billy and Dave, dancing in the moonlight. We were down near the water in a stone mud fight. Killer Joe passed out on the lawn. Well, Hazy Davy got really hurt. He crawled into the lake in just his socks and a shirt. Me and Crazy Janie were making love in the dirt, singing our birthday songs. And Janie said, hey little brother, don't you think it's time now we go? We closed our eyes and said goodbye. To the Gypsy Angel Row, felt just right.